Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn about an exercise of Python code. Here the problem is we have to input the numbers in a list from console, and then we have to find which are prime numbers and which are not in that list. So first we have taken that n equal to integer of input, as we know that input function of Python takes the input as string, so we have to convert it into int. So we are taking the numbers in input, enter the size of the list, and then we are converting into int and store it into n. Then for I equal to range 0 to n, so it will range from 0 to n minus 1. So num equal to, again we are converting it into integer and we are giving the message enter list element. So first we have to give the size of the list, then we have to give the array elements, then we will append that number in the list. Now for I equal I in a list, so it will loop for every element in the a list. Flag equal to 0, for j equal to 2 to I minus 1, so every number is divided by 1 and the number itself, so we are ranging the elements in the factors from 2 to I minus 1. If I modulo j, that means it is divided by j and the remainder is 0. So if it is perfectly divisible by j, then we will increment the flag count and then break. And after this for loop, we will check if flag equal to 1, that means it is divisible by any number between 2 to I minus 1, so it is not prime. And then if it is not divisible by any number from 2 to I minus 1, so it is a prime number. So if flag equal to 0, which is initialized in this case when I starts, so for each of the element flag starts at 0, and if it is divisible by anything, then it will increment as 1. So if flag equal to 1, then it is not prime, and else, that means flag equal to 0, that means not divisible by anything, it is prime number. So this is an efficient program, as we are breaking this number as any of the number. If I is divisible, I means the array elements of the A list. If I is divisible any of the numbers from 2 to I minus 1, then it will break. It will not loop for other numbers to check if it is divisible by that or not. If the number is divisible by one number, then it will break, as it is not a prime number. So this is our code. Now let's try. So size of the array is I am giving as 6. Now the array elements 21, 23, 32, 51, 49, 12. So these are the 6 numbers. Now it is giving that 21 is not prime, 23 is prime, and others 32, 51, 49, 12 that are not prime. So again, if we run with 3, and the elements are 31, 23, 2, no 12. So in this case 31 is prime, 23 is prime, 12 is not prime. So I think you will understand. Try this code in your own. If you have any question regarding this, let me know in the comment section. Try more code and let me know in the comment section which code you are trying. Thank you for watching this video.